Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn two things. First, how to start speaking. Second, how to improve English speaking. There are many people, maybe hundreds or thousands of people, they say they can read English, they can write English, but they cannot speak English. Even they understand English, but their mind and mouth isn't trained to speak English. So, first of all, we need to understand how to start speaking. Look, speaking isn't a thing that you think all the time that you are learning English and one day you will start speaking. There are people they are making excuses that how to start speaking. We don't have a friend who is speaking English. We don't have environment that can help us to speak where we can speak. So these are the things and excuses being made by people. I'm going to give you solutions how you can speak with yourself with your mobile and how are the techniques that help you even start speaking English all alone in your room or somewhere on the roof. You sit there and speak, or maybe you have a private place if you don't have confidence to speak in a public or with other people. So with whom you will speak all alone. The first thing you have your mobile. This is now the era of social media. It was difficult earlier, but not now. people has people have mobile. Everyone has a mobile in this era, and if you want to speak, it's not that much difficult. You have mobile. Just start the first thing you have ChatGPT. That's the fantastic thing that can help you speak all the time with it. Whenever you are free, just turn on your internet connection and start speaking with it. Turn on your chat GPT and start speaking with that on whatever topic you love like to speak, whether that's your daily routine, whether that's education, politics, uh, anything that you have knowledge about, you can speak with that. The second thing, there is more apps, for example, like Speakly. As I may have told you earlier, there are hundreds of options that can help you to speak. They ask you question and you answer of those questions. They give you 30 seconds for answering them. So this will help you. They take you from the beginning to the advanced level. Like you speak first about yourself, then about your activities, your hobbies, your education, your daily work, and they take you level wise. Like you speak about yourself, then about your education, and then other things. So this is how you can improve it. Now there are people they don't have confidence. Some of them fear of making mistakes. Some of them they are good at English but they cannot speak because of confidence. Confidence is in your mind. Look, if you cannot speak and you have somewhat vocabulary and you think that you can speak but because of confidence you cannot speak. So for that I told you you can speak in your room with ChatGPT and Speakly and Hello English, and there are lots of apps that you can find to speak with. The second thing, if you can speak but don't have confidence, you think that when you speak in a public, so you will make mistakes. So believe me, if you don't make mistakes, you cannot learn. It means if you are making mistakes, you are learning something and learning something that improves. So, however, making mistake that's fine. But if you know you are intermediate at English, just start speaking. Without starting, you cannot speak, even if you know English better. If you have hundreds of words in your mind, you know grammar well, you know like speaking and you are good in English listening or everything, but if you do not start speaking you cannot improve. This is the first thing. Look, there is a simple formula. If you want to write, start writing. If you want to learn listening, start listening. If you want to speak fluently, start speaking. So these are the things that can help you follow for more.